Yes, sir. Trough, pipe to the pull box. Pick up these starters. That's that. Still pull box, pipe rack going down. To pick up these valves and sensors. Those valves, sensors. I still got more valve, more dampers. Still not finished. It's halfway. Right there. Still gotta go that way. Gotta pick up all this. Gotta go over there. Tip it back. From that pull box came this way. Boom. Pull box 5x5. Boom. Box. Pick up those devices. Another devices. They came out. Flash. Pick up the valve from there to there. Came this way. Bang. Bang. Later on. Green fill. Come this way. All the way down. Stop playing with me. Offset. Now, stop playing. Offset back. Toolbox. Pick up this valve. Stop playing.